Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm taking you on the decor for my toddler's room. I didn't do a video on when my toddler had her nursery, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. So if you saw my previous video, we did the nursery. This is a toddler room. Yes, we used the same crib as we did with this one. This is Freya's room, my first daughter. And so she had the crib first, and then we used it and we bought Freya a big girl bed. As you can see, it's mini. So anyways, so once you walk into the door, you will see her closet is on the left. That is her laundry hamper. We did use the other hamper before, and then we bought a new one because like her clothes have gotten bigger. So then we bought a bigger one. Oh, I actually got this for Christmas. So we used the other butterfly one in the previous video for Fallyn, which is the baby. So onto the left, you can see that I have this trio of flower canvas pictures. These I bought years and years ago when I was like 22 years old. I bought these for my room, and now I'm so happy I can share them with my daughter. So there is a camera there. That is the baby monitor. Well, we use it for the toddler, so we have two. So that's great. And then Kleenex, as per usual, you need that. And then this is the lamp that we use. We did use this lamp for this one, and then the other lamp was for the other one. And just a couple of decor pieces. My friend went to New York, Statue of Liberty. And then this is just kind of, that has my name on it. It's from Cuba. My mom got it when she went. And then over here into the corner, this is a child dedication that we did at our church. It has Freya's name on it. And then there is a Bible, as my mom gifted, and some earrings, and it's in the shape of a crown. So moving on, this dresser was my husband's dresser. When we first moved in together, this was originally like the brown real wood, and so we changed the knobs. They had like crazy handles. My dad sanded it down, spray painted it white, and then we bought the knobs at Home Depot. So they have the knobs which are silver and are chrome. So yeah, so it's not too bad. Keeps all her clothes in line. That's all I can say. And then in the corner, we have another diaper genie, which you need with a toddler because they are currently potty training because they might have accidents. So yeah. And then moving on to the window. So the curtains I bought at Walmart. I bought two because it was really bright in here, and these are the curtains. They are the dark, and I got them in teal and then black because the black ones were a touch longer than the teal. So with this window, we put her other dresser. As you can see, this dresser was my dresser and it was black, so we spray painted it white again, sanded it down, and then we got the knobs. And so this is mainly where her diapers are, or her pull-ups, I guess you could say, now that she's a toddler. And then some extra storage for wipes, etc, etc. Her room is the bigger room, so obviously she gets everything. So with that being said, more stuff will go into this room instead of Fallon's room. And then here are the wipes. This was originally supposed to be into the wall to heat up, but I cut it off because I just didn't want to deal with hot wipes. I don't know. It just a mess. But anyways, so moving on to the change pad. This change pad is very special because it was from my friend Gio. She gave me the cover and she told me she barely used it and I didn't even care. I love that it's pink and polka dots. So yeah, one of my faves. So moving on to the corner, you can see it says Freya. These are larger letters. Fallon's name has 6 letters, which is really heavy. So I kind of made them the smaller one. Freya has 5, but still this is really heavy. I should have done the smaller letters. But anyways, I painted them and glued them on, as you can see. And then the bow, and then they hang really nice. Freya is the one, since she was our first, we had a baby shower and all the books were given to us instead of a card. So she has all the books, and plus her room is bigger, so she has the more storage, where Fallon doesn't really have that much room. So we figured Freya can just keep all the books here. This is from Walmart, so very inexpensive. So let's move on to this wall. This wall was one of my favorites. I was definitely inspired by Sarah Baumler. Her daughter had a damask kind of wall, and I really wanted to incorporate that into my kids' room. I think it looks pretty. It's gold. And yeah, I didn't want too many, and I spaced them out perfectly. I got the painter to work with me on that, and yeah, because she will grow older and enjoy it. And then as you can see, there's like a little bit of one of those little knob things there. This is where we had her crib here originally, and there was a camera like you saw in Fallyn's room that has the camera pointing down so you can see her. So we took that off, and like we said, camera is right there so we can look at her, because you know, on the wall they might bang the wall or anything like that. And then of course here in the corner, I didn't want to put her bed by the window because I figured it'd be kind of cold, so we placed it this way, away from the window. So this bed is actually from Toys R Us. We got it with gift cards for her birthday, for her 1-year birthday. And then the bed sheets we got from Walmart. The blanket we got for her birthday. And then as you can see, all her toys are on here. She loves Paw Patrol, she loves her Elmo, she loves her tigers, especially bears and puppies. Of course, Minnie Mouse, she has a lot of them there. As you can see, she just can't live without them. Chasing Sky. And then of course in the entrance we put a beanbag, just because when she was learning to go in the bed she would kind of roll off, and so we just left this beanbag to catch her when she fell. So yeah, it was processed, but now she got it. And of course this wall is white, and we wanted to add a picture, so I picked this up from a craft show here in Winnipeg locally, and it says Dream Big Little One, and it is super cute. Just like Fallyn's room, it has a dream kind of picture. And then there's the door and the light. The light is from IKEA. They both have the same light. It's super easy to make this light. I swear it's so easy. So, but yeah, that is the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, thumbs up, comment below. Just let me know what is your favorite part of the room. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. I do new videos every week. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!